It's mine, whose world is this?
Taking over in the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks off fire you desire. My rock can maybe flip. It's season, you never trip. Get them early, I never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. Listen, I've taken a few days off. I've been going through a few things in my personal life. It's neither here nor there. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be doing this YouTube thing, man. If at all, man. If I do it, it's gonna be very spotty going forward, probably. But I am gonna hit you guys with a few reviews. And as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, we're going to be doing the First Class Flight Air Jordan 1 review. I haven't watched a single review on these sneakers, whether early or current or now late. So honestly, it's going to give me my own fresh opinion. I'm not going to go based off what somebody else feels about them. If you've seen on release day on my IG, I said that this is my first time seeing them in hand at the register. So I actually feel like I like the sneaker from what I had seen in store. And now we're going to crack into this box and see exactly what we have. Alright guys, so we got obviously our traditional all black red font Nike Jordan 1 box. Foot Locker receipt on deck. And obviously I've already seen these. I've seen them once in store. And I haven't opened them again since. They've just been sitting on the rack. Because like I said, I've been dealing with some of my own personal things. But I did like what I seen initially. But let's go over the sneaker a little bit. You got the all white Air Jordan 1. On this side you have your white Nike swoosh with the yellow, little bit of yellow outline. On the inside you have the yellow swoosh. I like it. I like the switch up. A lot of people do not like, let's get the other one, because you do have the spare lace, the spare yellow lace on this side. But let's get a pair that doesn't have the laces in the way so you can get a full view of the actual sneaker. Now, a lot of people don't like this crinkled up look of the leather. I don't mind it at all. It doesn't change the quality. It's just a way that they pressed it to make it look that way. A lot of people don't like it. A lot of people don't like all of this branding, whether it's this like boarding pass type stamp up here, and then a lot of people don't like this barcode. Oh, that's actually raised. That's actually raised, like you can feel the barcode on the back, and it has its career stats on the back. Is you got your 32,000 career points, you got your 6,000 plus rebounds, and your assist totals 5,000 plus assists and averages for his career totals. There you have this leather tongue in yellow with the black branding, and then you have MJ's signature up here by the ankle, all yellow, which I think is one of the best parts of the sneaker. I think the yellow hits are what makes it pop. I could do without this up here, but it doesn't bother me as well. Let's go over a little bit more of what people do not like about this sneaker. As you can see, it's all these perforations, these little tiny holes all over the entire sneaker. A lot of people don't like those pin-size holes. Another thing that doesn't bother me, I think that these look fire on foot. From the pictures that I did see, like I said, I haven't watched a review, I don't believe, on these to skew my opinion, but I'm happy with my purchase, man. I did get these in my personal size, and I already sold the size 8.5 that I hit on these. So I was able to put that money towards buying my personal size, and I don't even know how much that would even, I don't even know how much I don't know. These would damn near be free, pretty much. So, I just want to do another quick review. I might do one more. If I do another one, I'll probably be wearing the same exact thing, because like I said, I might not be doing any more videos for a while. If I do, maybe the like Travis Scott shock drop, if I hit on something like that or something like that, but it's going to be few and far between until I get my personal situation taken care of and see where that goes. But once that's cleared up, then I'll be back. I'm not gonna say I'm retiring, so I still want y'all to hit that big button down below, because I'm not going anywhere. I'm not gonna get out of the game. I might just be a little, you know, in and out. So I love y'all, man. Until the next time. Ovi!